Before the sun begins to rise, a voice breaks through the sleepy skies. Not a cry, not a warning call, but laughter dancing over all. He sits in silence on a branch of time, cream white chest, a crown of grime. His eyes red earth like ancient lore. His beak says little but speaks much more. Not shy of humans, not afraid. He comes so close, then slips away. A hunter not of stream but land, with patient gaze and steady hand. Kookaburra laughs, ha ha ha, wakes the world with a wild hurrah. Tree to tree his joy will fly, like sunshine rolling through the sky. Kookaburra laughs, ha hey, sings the start of a brand new day. No one sleeps when he's around, that laughing bird, that jungle sound. He shares his home with kin and care. Old chicks help raise the young ones there. They laugh together, loud and proud, a family chorus in the cloud. He strikes with strength, he feeds with flair. A snake, a frog, a lizard's dare. His beak a hammer, swift and true, yet still he sings the morning through. Kookaburra laughs, ha ha ha, wakes the world with a wild hurrah. Tree to tree his joy will fly, like sunshine rolling through the sky. Kookaburra laughs, ha hey, sings the start of a brand new day. No one sleeps when he's around, that laughing bird, that jungle sound. And legends say he laughed at dawn, when first the sun began to yawn. Since then he greets each golden ray, with laughter bright to start the day. Kookaburra laughs, ha ha ha, wakes the world with a wild hurrah. He marks the day with joy and sound, a laughing soul the world around. And when the stars begin to gleam, he sleeps beneath the leafy dream. But in the morning, loud and clear, the kookaburra laughs.